Hi guys, welcome to Coding Beetle, and in this video I will teach you about bitwise operators in Java. So bitwise operators are used to perform binary logic with the bits of an integer or long int. The bitwise operators are AND operator, OR operator, this is NOT, and NOT is symbolized using squiggly signs. This is XOR operator, zero field left shift, shine right shift, and zero field right shift. So these are the bitwise operators, and to tell you how it works, it is simply like this AND sets each bit to 1 if both the bits are 1. Suppose 5 and 1, and this gives, and the binary expression of 5 is 0101 and 1 is 0001. Here you can see that the last bit of the number is 1. So it will give the output as 0001 because the last bit of the output is 1 and both are 1. So it will give an output as 1. But here, as this is 1 and this one is 0, so it is returning 0. So this is how it all works, and the other variables also works the same. Here, as you can see, this is the OR operator, and here also it sets each value to each bit to 1 if any of the two bit is 1, and here it inverts all the bits. Means suppose you have 0001, then it will change it to 1110. 1110. In XOR, it sets each bit to 1 if only one of the two bit is 1. Suppose if one of the two bit is 1, then it will set it to 1. Means set each of the bits to 1. Suppose here you can see these are matching, so at last it will give out the value as 111 because a single bit is matching, and that will only change all the values as 1. And zero shift operator just move a single bit to the left. Suppose here it has 0001 and it will shift as 0010. You can see it has shifted a bit to the left and pushes the copies of the leftmost bit in form the left and letting the rightmost bit fall off. Suppose you have 00 or maybe 1001, then it will just shift and do 001 and 00, and you can see this right bit is fallen off. We are not writing it. So this is the work of signed right shift. And zero field right shift is just the opposite of this one, and here it will do is 0010. Here it will remove the leftmost bit and make it fall off and push the rightmost bit by 1. So this is for this video guys, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.